Built, not bought. This is a 1993 Honda Civic EG Coupe, turned into a full sim rig. We've got under $900 into the entire setup. Yeah, including the PC. It's running on a $200 budget-built computer, but it gets the job done. Up front, we're using a Moza R5 wheelbase, SRP light pedals, and a Moza handbrake, all mounted right where they'd be in a real Civic. We're also running an Arduino Uno, and we're wiring up the original dash next to bring the gauges back to life. Everything's stripped, cleaned up, and fitted to feel like you're actually behind the wheel. From junkyard parts to a full driving experience, this is what happens when you build it yourself. Budget setup, real feel.